So in this Visme tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add icons to a design here on Visme. So once you're on Visme, go to the left hand side of your screen here and press on where it says graphics. Simply just go ahead and press on graphics. Then once you're on this screen, you want you to go ahead and get to this main screen right here. So if you were to scroll down a little bit under basic, this option right here says icons. You can go ahead and press on icons. Now when you're on this screen, you can go ahead and select whatever icon you want. So you can go ahead and view if you want to maybe view, how about people, for instance. You can go ahead and press on people, add some people icons to your design if you want. You can play around with it. You can go back. You can maybe add an animal to your design. You can go ahead and press on animals and perhaps add an animal right here. Whatever the case is, you can get creative if you want to search one up as well. So let's just say I wanted to search up, I don't know, something random. How about water? I'll type in water. It's now going to search up. Now you can view a whole bunch of different icons with water. So you can go ahead and do this one, for instance, whatever the case may be. You can get creative to whatever you may wish, but it's pretty straightforward. That's how you guys can add icons to a design here on Visme. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.